In this video, we're going to learn how to build a landing page report in Google Analytics and add segments to compare paid traffic versus non-paid traffic. So starting at the home page with Google Analytics, we're going to navigate to behavior and then site content and then landing pages. Now this is our default landing page report, so it shows all the pages that the user first interacted with. So what we're going to do here is we are going to, by default, have the all users segment added, and then we're going to click add a segment here. Now segments are unique to a user's login. So the segments that I have created may not necessarily be the same segments that a colleague will have created. And so if I want to share a report, we need to ensure that a user or a colleague still has the same segments that are created. So I'm going to show you how to create these now. The two segments we're going to need are paid traffic and non-paid traffic. Now, paid traffic is natively available, it's already been created, and everybody has this segment available. So what we're going to do is we're just going to navigate over to actions and we're going to click copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this segment here. Now here are the rules as to how the segment is created. It's based on the medium, and we're going to change this to exclude. So basically it's the complete opposite of the segment that we have for paid traffic. We're going to give it a quick name as well, and we're going to go for exclude paid traffic, and we're going to hit save. So you can see here that we've now got exclude paid traffic, but what we want as a comparison is the paid traffic segment. We want to be able to compare the two side by side. So we're going to go to add a segment, and then we're going to click paid traffic. And we can see that we've got both added in the list now. Click apply. And you can see here now that across this date range, which is from the start of the year, we have a cumulative total of all of the performance at a top level view before we start to go into the specific pages that people landed on. For conversions as well, we have one here which is for online booking start, but if I wanted to change that to all of the goals, then obviously that would be reflected in our goal conversion rate and completions as well. So these are all the pages that we have. So we have, if we look at the home page here, for example, we have excluding paid traffic and including paid traffic. We can see that they have the relative number of sessions, percentage new sessions, new users, and the goal completion rates. So what you're able to do now is compare specific landing pages that we were looking at and compare them side by side. So I know that one of them specifically was carpet cleaning, and we can say, how did this perform? What was the conversion rate for paid traffic that was driven to that site? How many conversions? What was the conversion rate? And how does that look for, either paid or non-paid traffic? Specifically, if I wanted to go and find that and remove some of the pages that don't necessarily matter to me, I can just search for that in the search box. So here we have carpet cleaning, and it will show us the two values. Obviously Google Analytics will split the two rows depending on if there's a trailing slash or not a trailing slash here. So probably the one that we're going to look at, the one that we're driving paid traffic towards, is comparing this number one here. And then anything else that contains carpet cleaning is included. To remove the filter again, just click the little X here, and you may find that there are more rows down here. So by default we show 10 rows, I've got 253 rows here, so I'm going to open that to 500. And then every row that we can see here, we can start to compare. So for example, promo 109, one here, the one that we were directing a lot of paid traffic to, we can see how that performs versus paid versus organic. We can see the conversion rate as well. So with this, we have the landing page report. We have a couple of segments over this date range, and we can now compare paid and non-paid traffic at the landing page. Thank you very much.